Hey everyone, here we are with another portable plug-and-play wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto receiver. This one is a 9-inch screen coming from CarPuride. So this is the 9-inch screen that you're gonna get. It's a glossy finish, and as you can see on the side here, that's the power input, USB cable, aux output. You have audio video input, micro SD card, and a microphone jack. Also on the back here you have a built-in speaker. If you don't want to use the aux cord to have the sound playing in your vehicle, you can just rely on that speaker on the back there. Now there are two ways to mount this on the dashboard. I will use this way with the double side tape on the bottom. I like this stand, looks pretty sturdy, so that's what I'm gonna use. But also it comes with another option. It's just a suction cup. You can use this one to mount it directly on your windshield. It can be adjusted how far out or how far in you want it. But anyway, I'm gonna peel off this double side tape and I'm gonna stick it on the dash, and we'll see what this unit can do. It's a pretty easy install once you get it. Also, that stand has 4 holes, so you can screw it into the dash if you don't really care about a dash. There is that option as well. So as I said, it's plug and play. All you have to do is just plug it into your car outlet or power outlet, whatever you want to call it. In my case, it's in the armrest, so I'm gonna plug it in there, and that's the aux cord as well, because I want the sound to play in the whole car. I don't want to have it playing only on its built-in speaker. So that's your second option. This is the boot up screen that you will face when you plug in the unit, and here is the main menu. And previously, if you connected your phone to the unit, it should be an automatic connection. So Apple CarPlay immediately connected to my phone because it remembers the last connection. So that's a good thing to have, and screen responsiveness feels pretty good for being a wireless connection. Now you will see that little button will if you tap on it, it will pop up few options, and you can move it around, drag it around. That's the main control of the unit. That's how you will control the sound, and if you want to mute the sound or you want to go back to the main menu. So here I'm gonna do a call test so we can have an idea how the built-in microphone sounds like. And this is how it sounds. I'm talking I would say just in the driver's seat, and that's how it sounds like. This is the sound quality. This is the microphone that is being picked up, so just to have an idea. So that was the microphone, the built-in microphone of this unit during Apple CarPlay phone call. So that way you can have an idea how that will sound like. So next up we will test out the Android Auto. So basically it's pretty easy to connect. Just gotta pull up your Bluetooth settings and look up for the name that it shows on the screen, and then shortly after you will see your model phone popping on a list there. Just tap on it like I just did before, and here we are, we having a wirelessly connection for the Android Auto as well. So this is pretty neat, and to be honest, it works very well. I don't see any major lagging on this unit, so I'm pretty happy the way it works. As you can see, the screen is pretty responsive. There is a slight lag, but it's nothing. It's kind of normal on wireless connections. Next up, we're gonna move on the AirPlay. So basically, this is screen mirroring for iOS devices, which will be an iPhone or an iPad. And the way you do that, you have to go in your Wi-Fi settings on the phone, look up the name that it shows on the screen, and then pull up your control center and choose the screen mirroring, and from that list you will be able to see this unit name. And as you can see, the screen mirroring was done successfully. I'm able to mirror YouTube videos. You are able to mirror Netflix or whatever streaming app you are using. That will work as well. I'm just gonna pull up a video here so we can have an idea how the video actually looks on this screen. And here we are, a video playing, and probably we'll have to zoom in so we can feel. There we go, we can see it filled in the screen. overall, so far, I really like it. So and there is also a screen mirroring for Android. Unfortunately, is not wireless, but it can be done by using the USB cable, and we're gonna do that next. In order to be able to take advantage of that, you gotta go to settings and choose from the Android Auto. Make sure you set it on Auto Link. Once you've done that, pull up the Google Play Store and look up for Auto Link app. Make sure you get that, and then from there it should be just plug and play. That's my Android screen there. I just ignore or tap away. So there we are. Using that Auto Link app, you'll be able to screen mirror your Android device using a wired connection through the USB cable. So should be the same like I did on my iPhone. You can do basically the same things, stream videos from different streaming platforms. So that is a plus. I'm really happy that they thought about this. They didn't just make Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen. I'm glad to see that they introduced those features. They really are helpful in some situation. So it's good to have an entertainment station or screen in your car that you can use. Right, so we'll go to the settings of the unit, and we'll go through do a quick walkthrough. You have language, device speaker, you can choose to use that or not. Then you have the connection list there. You can choose between wired or wireless, and then Wi-Fi settings, name, password, you can change that as well. The frequency of the wireless channel. There is a entire section for the video and camera stuff. So if you have a backup camera, you can also set your parking guidelines and stuff like that. So that's good to have. It's very useful if you have a backup camera for it. And this is it. Those are all the settings for the unit. Also, you have some quick settings. If you tap on the tab bar, you have the volume. You can choose from brightness as well. That's a shortcut. Basically, it can be automatic or just manual brightness. So that's good to have. And the next button, it will just change the wallpapers. It's a quick shortcut for wallpapers. So that's pretty interesting. And also there is another button there, which is the help button, just in case you have any issues with the unit. And let's see the radio interface. You can have a radio, so it looks pretty cool. I like it. It's kind of retro with a modern style. So anyway, this was the unit. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll have the links if you want to purchase this unit down in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.